Hola, my name is Iris. I am from Colombia and I'm here at Birkbeck studying a master's in psychosocial studies. Hola, mi nombre es Iris, soy de Colombia y estoy estudiando un máster en estudios psicosociales aquí en Birkbeck, University of London. In Colombia, I was working as a teacher for my university. My background is in psychology and I was very interested in psychoanalysis. So I started researching some courses on psychoanalysis, and then I found out that here at Birkbeck we are pioneers in psychosocial studies, which combines psychology and psychoanalysis and also the study of social issues. So I found it very interesting. So I did a little more research on different courses, but I found out, as I said, that here at Birkbeck they were pioneers and very interested in research, which is some of my it's another passion of mine. So it's very important to research and the lecturers, and I found out they had lots of books and articles, very interesting, and then this started to it became a dream for me to come here and study here. The whole process for me took me like a year. I started researching in the first months what I wanted to do, comparing this university to other universities and deciding if it was really in my interest in relation to my background and the topics that I'm passionate about. Well, first they considered your grades during the university, your bachelor's degree. So it's very important to have good grades because that will give you like an advantage over other candidates. And they would consider definitely your personal statement, as you said, that's going to be like your face to them. And so the more coherent and clear it is, the better. And also the more, I would say, interesting, but also it's very important to support everything you said with what you have done. Actually, it's very important. If you say you were a good team leader or you are a good researcher, you have to explain why are you saying this. They just want to know why are you an ideal candidate, what can you give back to your country, what can you do, what are your projects, your plans, your dreams when you come back. So it's very important to be very clear about this. And also they consider that you have presented an English test. Even if you're going to a Spanish speaking country, they still have this requirement. So it's very important to fulfill this requirement to study, because sometimes you know how to speak English or other language, but a test is different. You have to know the structure of the test, why are they gonna assess in the test. So it's very important to do that. There's lots of information about this on the internet, so you can search on the web with different websites, do exercises, practice a lot with time. So I did all that, and it was very good for my process.